If I ask you the question, on what date did Tirot Singh's Im die? Many people would immediately answer on 17th of July 1835. But before, for so many years, Meghalaya people remember him on 29th of March. But is that really the day he passed away or in the 17th of July? According to the historical research, Tirot Singh actually died on 17th of July 1835 while imprisoned in Dhaka. So how did 29th of March become the day on which people commemorated him for so many decades? Let's dive back with me through the history to uncover the truth. Some of you might not know who was Tirot Singh. Tirot Singh's Im was the Im or a king of the Hima Nongklao kingdom and one of the greatest heroes in the history of Meghalaya. In 1829, when the British East India Company attempted to expand its control over the Khasi Hills, Tirot Singh chose to resist. He led the Khasi people into fierce struggle to defend their land, their right, and their freedom. After several years of resistance, he was eventually captured and taken to Dhaka, where he was imprisoned by the British. Why Meghalaya people before they celebrate on 29th of March? After India gained independence from British rule in 1947, Tirot Singh's courage and sacrifice came to be recognized as the important part of India's border freedom struggle. A memorial in his honor was established in Mairang, and from that period onwards, people began observing 29 March every year to pay tribute to him. Schools, government offices, community organizations, and local residents gather annually to remember and honor the legendary Khasi leader. The historical mystery. But this raises an important question: why 29th of March? According to the historical records, on 29th of March 1834, after Tirot Singh has been captured, Regent Singh was installed as the new Im of Hima Nongklao. This event was documented in the British colonial records. Some historians suggest that, over time, people may have mistakenly associated this date with the death of Tirot Singh. It is important to note that this is the one historical interpretation proposed by some scholars and is not a universally accepted conclusion. What historians have discovered. More recent historical research indicates that Tirot Singh died on 17th of July 1835 while still imprisoned in Dhaka. This date is also inscribed on the memorial dedicated to Tirot Singh in Mairang. However, historians continue to search for additional archival record from Dhaka to further verify the exact circumstances surrounding his death. Why does the tradition continue? Public traditions often continue for generations. Even when new historical evidence emerges, long-standing commemoration usually remain part of the community cultural memory. For many people, 29th of March has become more than just a date. It is a symbol of respect, gratitude, and remembrance for a Tirot Singh courage and sacrifice. It is not only about marking a particular day, but about honoring the legacy he left behind. History lives on when we continue searching for the truth. Tirot Singh's struggle was not simply a war against the British East India Company. It was a fight to protect the land, the right, and the freedom of the Khasi people. Whether you remember him on the 29th of March or on the 17th of July, one truth remained unchanged. Tirot Singh stands among the greatest heroes in the history of Meghalaya.